Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi booster? If yes, then you have come to the right platform. Here we will tell you about the full installation process of UltraXtend Wi-Fi Booster. The UltraXtend Wi-Fi Booster is a device that helps extend your existing Wi-Fi signal, improving coverage and reducing dead zones in your home. In this video we will tell you everything from product unboxing to setup. So let's start the setup process. First of all, we will unbox the Wi-Fi Booster. Inside the UltraXtend Wi-Fi Booster box, you'll find the Wi-Fi Booster device, a user manual for setup instructions, and sometimes a power adapter if required. Some packages may also include an Ethernet cable for a wired connection option. Insert the UltraXtend device into a power outlet located within range of your existing Wi-Fi router. Wait approximately 30 seconds to 2 minutes for the device to power up. On your device, such as a smartphone or laptop, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named PXLink 2.4G or PixLink and connect to it. The default password is typically 12345678. Open a web browser and enter the IP address http://192.168.7.234 into the address bar. When prompted for login credentials, use admin for both the username and password, or simply click login if no credentials are required. Within the web interface, select the repeater mode option. The device will scan for available wireless networks. From the list of detected networks, choose your primary Wi-Fi network, the one you wish to extend. Enter your existing Wi-Fi network's password when prompted. After entering the necessary information, the UltraXtend Booster will attempt to connect to your main router. A solid LED light on the device typically indicates a successful connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.